milzi. Kas pa briesmonu nāk ārā? Ej, tu nos cik seksīgs klucīts no viņa iznāca.
Redz, kā viņš tūši ieplūst iekšā.
Jā, es apmaisīšu bišķi. Tāpēc man aizdam, ka viņš augsts, jā. Un nākošais monstrs. Ver vaļā, es izliešu ārā materiālu. Tas ir radiācijas smeļamais. Mums labi.
Kamēr pildums nav ļoti samazinājies, tā kā ir ok.
Davai, Feģa. Vai bišķi balotā? Kas tā materiāla? Pip-pap, o, sāk degt, jā.
Izlai un liek man.
Izdarīt. Tā. Kas tu man tāds esi? Jā. Ai. What the fuck? Ir.
Savu galvu nevar nolaist zemā.
O, ir.
Hello at my factory. As you see, I have some concrete casting right here. Finally, I make some fundament for future workshop and little bit industrial field improvement works for right here. Well, I have interesting days with excavator. I hit pipes twice I did it. What else? I make water, rainwater takeaway system. One pipe is here, another pipe is there. I should do a little bit dig there and let it out on the street. Down here I have a new cable tunnel or cable pipe. What I saw in the previous one, I have from here right to that corner, and then this style, and then I dig it. Actually I choop it with a excavator bucket. What else interesting? Well, I have steel part right here. How do you know how it could be? If we take this part and install in concrete floor right here, and that will be great solution for rainwater takeaway, and this prevents the water can get into the building. This could be around here, right? So it's built from 4mm thick steel with 2 rods in it. Later I make a special plate. I cannot say in English that because I don't know that word, my bad, but it's like a you know how it calls. So, and similar system is on the streets. I hope you noticed this system before on the streets. So here I have a surplus sand, around maybe 10 cubic meters, and I should to make a decision where I can put it or storage it. I have no idea actually where I can put it. It takes a lot of space from my yard, as the bricks and another industry parts, another crap what is around. But when I make a field, concrete field here, then I can solve this and another crap around. Well, one of the tricks is what I can do is maybe I can here take a place and maybe I can here storage my sand. So, oh, fence, sorry, fence, I destroyed a little bit. Hello at my factory. As you see, some concrete casting is done right here. Now it's around past 1 hour since concrete workers and concrete truck is away, and we make some work over here. I think it's quite nice field for workshop improvement. I made a U-shape, like a channel for water drain off. Here is at one of the end is one pipe, and then another end is another pipe. Here it is. Later, after this will be hard, I make a concrete casting right here, and for that too, all water can get into here. So I have a little bit surplus concrete I have already idea where I can use it. So, surplus sand, 5 cubic meters. So on. Okay. Thanks for the watching. Good luck and have a nice day.
Come here, Ruben. Beidzot es to kaudzvaru novākt, ha ha ha.